Ma'am, here's the deal. Here's the deal. You're just yelling at people there, okay? They have no idea who you are. Telling them to fuck off. They have no idea who you are. They're asking me what's wrong with this lady.
I said,
you've had too much to drink,
out of
clearly.
here.
You've been here for a long time, evidently, according to the airport people. You have one of two choices. Give us an address or a place where you need to go,
Sure.
a friend that
No.
we can call to pick you up, or I'll put you in a cab, or you're going to go across the street with us. Simple as that. You understand that?
Where's the across the street?
The jail. You have ID on you? Give me your ID.
No.
Give me your ID.
No, friend. No, I don't have to.
I'm not going to give you a choice.
I'm not black. But
What?
I
What is
don't
that
have-
supposed to mean?
I
Don't give me
I
that
am
crap.
not-
Don't give me that crap. Pull that racism
I
crap
don't
with
give
me.
a shit.
Ma'am.
No.
You got one last chance. Friend, you got one last chance.
Bye. No, friend. No.
Try,
Stop
friend.
it. Stop
Try.
it. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it.
All we're trying to do is get you a ride or
Stop
call a
it.
friend.
No.
Okay?
No.
Get this bag
No.
off.
No. No.
Yes?
No.
If all you had to do is give us a person to call.
No.
I don't know what your problem is.
Stop
I don't know
it.
what your deal is. You're yelling at
Stop
people. Disorderly
I'm not
intoxication.
even.
Disorderly intoxication.
Stop
There goes
it.
my camera.
Yes. Yes.
Disorderly
You're-
intoxication.
Here. No.
Okay.
Stop
There's
it.
a bag.
Stop it.
Stop trying to kick me.
Stop it.
Stop trying to kick
Ma'am,
me.
just sit on the ground. Actually, just sit
Sit on the ground.
No,
Just sit
please.
down.
Please, 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 please.
Sit.
Please stop it.
Get it. Whose cruiser's close?
Mine's right there.
Put her in the back of the jail.
Please stop it. Please stop it.
Go. Hold on.
Please stop it.
Quick on that.
Please stop it. Please stop it.
Gave you every opportunity. See, when you drink too much, see what happens?
No. Come on. Listen.
You just would have told me where you needed to go. They wouldn't rent you a car, evidently, because you have too much to drink. But no, you want to do things the hard way. Last thing that we wanted to do. Hop in.
Please, please, please.
Hop in.
Please, please,
Hop in. Watch your feet.
please.
Step up. Step up on. Step up on that.
Please, please,
There's no more please, ma'am. Get in. Get in. Put your feet up on that. Put your feet up on that. Put your foot up on that. Step.
Alright.
Stand up.
Come on.
Stand up
Help
and put
me,
your foot on
help me,
that.
help
I'm
me.
helping you.
I'm just gonna help you.
Helping you. Step on there. Put your foot on there. There you go. And step up. Step up. There you go. Watch your foot. Is there ID in there? I'm going to get my car. She's in the car. I'm going to call transport.
So apparently she was supposed to be flying out, and
Oh,
we just
she got
denied
denied.
her boarding. And she's been here for the ticket count, or the girl at the rental car said she was here wandering around 2 hours prior.
Before that?
Huh? Oh, I haven't been able to do my rounds in here yet. I can get on.
Thank you.
Yeah, I don't.
Okay.
I'm trying to figure out what flight, but I don't know what flight.
All right, got it.
Yeah. Hey, Morgan, we're gonna put you in a different car, okay? Because I'm going home.
Oh, are you? Okay.
Yeah, we're just gonna switch cars. You're not?
Can I just like?
Yeah. What's up? I'll help you out.
I was just gonna like.
Yeah, I'm gonna help you out. I don't want you to fall. I'll just grab your
I
arm
was
here.
gonna like.
What's up?
I was gonna.
Don't fall. Don't fall. Okay.
No, I was gonna like.
Okay, we're gonna go in this cruiser.
Oh, okay.
Yep.
Sure.
We're just swapping. Yep.
Are you guys fucking with me or not?
No, unfortunately.
No. Oh, okay. Oh,
Yep. Just push your right foot onto the step there.
sure.
You can see it.
Oh,
Pick your right foot up here onto
alright,
this step.
Let me go up
See it?
a little bit.
I'll hold you up.
Hold on.
Yep. Okay, let's get back out, and I'll show you how to get in.
Oh,
Stand back up. Get down. Put your foot back on the ground. Turn around to the left. I'm sorry, to the right. So your backside's facing the cruiser. Now put one foot up on the step there,
are you guys
and then you
messing
can.
with me or not?
No, we're not messing with you. We didn't want to do it. Perfect. That's exactly how you do it.
I haven't done anything wrong though.
Okay.
Like,
Is this a sandwich? lasagna.
Smorgasbord in there.
DVDs.
Energy shots. They're labeled though.
What about loose almonds?
Popcorn. This should be good, right?
I think as long as there's no drugs in it. Which I'm assuming TSA would have found it. Yeah, now that I think about it, I saw a study. They missed 90% of all contraband.
And sometimes they see contraband, they go, you know, it's not a bomb or a gun or whatever.
Well, she hates the police.
I don't know what her.
Oh, is your camera?
Yeah, I don't know what her problem is, other than the fact that she's drunk. She's yelling at those guys, cursing at those guys, and the guy's like, he goes, I smiled at her. He's like, I don't know what her problem is. So are you familiar with the law? You familiar with the laws in Michigan, evidently?
Yeah.
Okay, when you're yelling and cursing at people out in public and other people can hear you, and you're drunk and disorderly, that's a crime here in this state. And we tried everything we could to get you to tell us where you needed to go, who you need to go with. So I don't know what else to tell you, Margaret. So you were supposed to get on a plane today, and evidently you had too much to drink and they wouldn't let you on. Is that what happened?
What?
Is that what happened? You had too much to drink and they wouldn't let you on the plane today?
No.
That's what I was told. So I don't know. You probably maybe drank a little too much, and just it's taken a while to get out of your system, evidently. And evidently you're a dispatcher. So my partners told me you're a dispatcher. Do you still work? You still work as a dispatcher?
No.
You don't?
No.
Okay. Is it because of your drinking?
Yeah. Are you fucking with me right now?
Ma'am, I'm not screwing with you in any way, shape, or form. Okay?
Are you sure?
You're in the back of the car and you're getting ready to go to jail. That's where you're getting ready to go.
I thought my husband was talking with you.
Ma'am, I talked to you for 5 minutes to try to ask you if I could get you a ride, if I could call a friend, if I could get you a cab.
I thought he was.
And you're yelling and screaming at people. People are coming up to us telling us that you're screaming at people. Got cars, don't know what they're saying, that your stuff going on with, they don't know what your deal is. Clearly you've had too much to drink, and yes, you have.
I swear. I just thought this was my husband. But nothing.
I've given you every opportunity to tell me, every single one.
Come on, please. I thought you were like my husband and messing with me. I swear,
I swear I gave you every opportunity. I gave you more than every opportunity.
Please, I thought that you were like messing with me.
I asked you many times. And you start telling me about you're not black and all this other. Come on.
What?
Oh, you don't remember that?
I'm just kidding me.
Do you have any scars, marks, or tattoos? How long have you been here today? What time was your flight supposed to go out? The flight you were supposed to be on, what time was that supposed to go out? 5 o'clock?
Yeah.
Do you know what time it is now? What time do you think it is? Take a guess. It's midnight. So you've been here since 5 o'clock? You've been here at least 7 hours. At least. That we know of, right? All you had to do was tell us where you needed to go and we would have got you there safely. In a cab, an Uber, whatever. I explained it to you. I explained it to you, Margaret.
I didn't even.
I explained everything to you.
I didn't even
Many times. I have many witnesses that saw us trying to help you.
get a car, right?
Yeah, they wouldn't rent you a car because you were intoxicated. They're not going to rent a car to somebody who's been drinking.
They actually did rent me one.
They rented you a car?
Yeah.
Okay, well, why are you still here 5 hours, 7 hours later? You had a reservation for a car, right? Are you down here to meet family or down here for friends? I mean, you wouldn't.